Hey everyone, Monica Fernandes with Evolution Essentials. In this video, I'm going to talk about Copaiba Essential Oil, the CBD without side effects. And if you've been to my channel before, welcome back. And if you're brand new, welcome. In this channel, I discuss things like stress management, wellness, essential oils, non-toxic living, and more. And in this video, we're going to cover everything Copaiba, and we're going over benefits and supportive evidence of this incredible oil. When I was researching Copaiba, I was so excited because it's a kind of a newer oil for me to use. And so in the research, I learned all of these incredible things, including a lot of clinical trials and scientific studies that they're doing with Copaiba. So let's get started. Stick around because towards the end, I'm going to have a free gift for you. And what is Copaiba? Copaiba Essential Oil comes from the resin of the Copaiba tree, which is very found in Brazil and South America. And these trees can go more than 100 feet, and it's all over South America. So this Copaiba specifically that I use comes from Brazil, and it's widely used in cosmetic products, including soaps, creams, lotions, and perfumes. And since the 16th century, Copaiba essential oil has been used in traditional health practices by the natives of North and Northwestern Brazil. And similar to black pepper essential oil, Copaiba has a soothing aroma, and it can be applied to the skin to promote a clear, smooth complexion. I'm going to talk about the skin more later. So this is my Copaiba right here, and it has quite a strong smell. You can tell it's a resin. It's very strong. I wouldn't say that it smells like anything I've ever smelled before, but it's such a powerful oil, and we're going to talk more about it. So taken internally, and I'm going to talk to you about internal use in just a second, but taken internally, it supports different body systems like the cardiovascular, immune, digestive, and nervous systems. It also promotes a healthy inflammatory response. Animal research suggests that Copaiba reduces inflammation and both central and peripheral pain. So this is really important. And I got this from a book called Evidence-Based Essential Oil Therapy, The Ultimate Guide to the Therapeutic and Clinical Application of Essential Oils by Dr. Scott Johnson. If you want to grab that book, because it's like a Bible of clinical studies, you can find a link down below on this book. And Copaiba essential oil, in terms of internal use, I want you to be very careful when buying essential oils, because the brand that I recommend that's down below, and you can get 25% off of that, is a brand that I trust, and I know it's safe to use these oils, because the truth is the market is saturated with fake essential oils, synthetics, adulterated cut essential oils, and that can be very dangerous to use. So in this, with this company, which they do is an amazing thing, they actually do third-party testing, so it's not just them testing it, but you can actually go to source2you.com. That's source to TOUYOU.com, and you can look up the number below the bottle, and it can actually give you that third-party chemical report of exactly what is in this bottle, so you know it's going to be safe to use. And not all essential oils can be used internally, and if they are able to be used, there's going to be a supplemental facts box, and it just tells you here, dilute 1 drop in 4 fluid ounces of liquid. Simple, right? So that's my little disclaimer, because I don't usually want you to use essential oils internally because there's so much crap out there. Anyway, so Copaiba essential oil can be added directly to the mouth and to cleanse and soothe the gums and oral cavity. So a study shows that it's actually effective against the S. mutans bacteria, and I'm probably butchering the name, considered to be the primary culprit for dental cavities. So you really should be incorporating Copaiba in your dental mouth care. If essential oils are brand new to you, I highly suggest that you watch this video right here on the top 10 benefits of essential oils. That way you can just get started, sort of like a 101 thing. Okay, so Copaiba, even though Copaiba is a resin from a tree and it does not contain psychoactive cannabinoids, the main component is beta-caryophyllene, and it may be neuroprotective. It may have cardiovascular and immune benefits when consumed. So it's also a powerful antioxidant that promotes immune health. So all things immune. And when I think of an anti-inflammatory oils, I think of frankincense. I actually did a video on frankincense that you can catch right there. But Copaiba is very similar because it's so anti-inflammatory. But the fact that it has this beta-caryophyllene, let's shorten that to BCP, it's the essential oil with the highest level of BCP. And it's an irregular cannabinoid and sesquiterpene. BCP is a potent constituent within Copaiba, and it selectively binds the CB2 receptors in the endocannabinoid system. And this system, it signals and regulates all the enzymes, and it has receptor sites throughout the body, and the endocannabinoids produced by the body. So there's all over, including organs. And so what happens is that this system is particularly important to our immune system. So when Copaiba is consumed, the BCP, the beta-caryophyllene, binds to these receptors to aid healthy immune and inflammatory responses. One of the most exciting studies is that BCP selectively inhibits growth of animal cancer without harming cells in vitro. And I got that also from that book. So check that out, the link in the description. So Copaiba influences multiple signaling pathways to promote healthy liver, kidney, digestive, heart, and brain function. So within all of this, in terms of also digestive system and digestive health, Copaiba protects the intestines from oxidative damage to tissues and organs caused by a loss and subsequent return of blood supply, according to animal research. It also protects the stomach from ulcers caused by something called indomethacin, which is a drug that's used to treat arthritis and gout. And another study found that it protects against colon inflammation and damage caused by colitis. So think of all of the GI tract and your digestive system. This is really, really exciting. And I wish I had known this when my mother was hospitalized with a GI hemorrhage, because I would have probably put Copaiba all over her, and I would have had, that aid for her, and she probably wouldn't have spent so much time in the hospital. Anyway, let's get back to Copaiba, and we're talking now about topical application. Topical means skin. So in clinical trials, a 1% Copaiba oil solution significantly decreased the appearance of acne. So thus it promotes clear and smooth complexion. So if you know anybody that has those skin issues, Copaiba definitely should be something that you should consider applying. And one of the ways that you can apply Copaiba is in a roll-on. So this one already comes diluted with fractionated coconut oil, so that way you don't have to make it ahead of time, but you can definitely apply this to your face or any type of acne that you have or that somebody that you know has. Tell them about Copaiba. Another study showed that using Copaiba essential oil topically and internally reduces the production of pro-inflammatory molecules and improves the symptoms of psoriasis. So think about like skin issues, skin challenges, and that Copaiba can really help ease the inflammation. If you want to know more about essential oils for the skin, I highly recommend that you watch this video right here about the best essential oils for the face and up-level your skincare routine. So this is about it about Copaiba. It's just so much information, and I know that you probably learned something new. I hope you did. And if you haven't done already, please subscribe right here, like this video, share it with someone that perhaps has any issues with any of these body systems I mentioned, because they really need Copaiba in their life. And last but not least, I promised you a free gift, so download in the description my free green cleaning guide to detox your home, and comment below on how you're going to be using Copaiba. So if you're going to use it internally, you can also, if you don't want the taste, you can use a empty veggie cap, put a couple of drops of Copaiba and take it that way. That way you don't taste the taste of Copaiba. And I'll see you in the next video.